Oh no, I fell asleep. Where is Mom? Mom is not here. Maybe she's at home. The sun is going down. I have to get home before it gets dark. There's that butterfly again. Hey butterfly, wait! Hey butterfly, is it true that you've once been a caterpillar? My dad told me that. I miss my dad, you know. Would my dad also come back as a butterfly one day? A wolf! It must be close. Wolves are scary. I think I should better hide quickly. Whew, luckily it didn't see me. This loud sound scared the wolf. I think I remember this sound. It reminds me of Dad. I guess I should really hurry. Wait, I know this place. I was here before with Mom. We were searching for berries and mushrooms here. I can't be far from home. There is someone. Hey, who are you? Mom, you found me! I know, I'm sorry, Mom. The humans just have these tasty snacks, you know? And then I fell asleep. Thanks, Butterfly, for helping me to find my way home.